to Tech 53 doing stupid things today. No. Anyways, I thought it was important for us to show you guys what we have here. A lot of people don't know this, but stainless steel braided lines for braking and other applications. We have a great range in stock ready to go from 12 inch all the way up to 72. So we got 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27, 30, 32 inches. All of these brake lines are ready to go. One side is an M10 bubble flare, so pretty much everything, the Japanese, even domestic cars, M10 bubble flare on one side to go in your hard lines. The other side is a -3 GIC. We have every fitting that we need to do anything on the other side. We have banjo, M10, M12 with angles, no angles, straight, the long ones, the short ones. 1/8 NPT straight, 45, 90 degrees swivel with -3s. I mean, there's nothing we can't do with these. So hit us up. We have the grommets to go with all the German cars, the BMW, the Volkswagens. They're standard for all those sizes, so we got the grommets. We also have T-fittings, bubble flare T-fittings. Anything for your hydraulic needs, we have it. Also, another big thing for us, we have stock on direct OEM replacement, Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3 Volkswagens. The big thing on our lines is the rear ones. It removes the hard line that's on the axle beam, so that way you're removing 2 joints and 2 times the problems when you put these on. So, you remove the hard line from the axle, put those on directly from the chassis mounting point, route it on your beam, then to the caliper. Great time saver and amazing product. I think we're pretty much the first one to come out with this. We've been out for a while. We have them for BMWs, E30, E36, E46, and the Volkswagen family. So, that being said, we've got hydro handbrake lines in stock, ready to go for all the BMW chassis, ready with all the proper fittings and everything for a standalone circuit, not one that is in line. So, that being said, we've got you covered. So, it's important for us to put out the word, because if you don't put out the word and you guys don't know it, well, we have all these goodies, right? So, also, we own some DRZ. You have a DRZ, we have the brake line fittings for them in stock. Any brake lines, anything, hit us up or go on our website, because you can customize your brake line directly from the website. Choose your fittings, your length, and everything else. So, guys, hit us up for brake lines. Oh, by the way, they're all DOT certified.